Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Cultural Heritage of India. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have learned about the art of the dancing. In this dear children, we have to learn that Shiv, the originator of the dance, is the Lord of the dance. Who is the Lord of the dance? Then Lord Shiva is the originator of the dancer. Same way, also we have learned that Shiva is therefore also said to be the Nataraja. After dear children, we have learned about the different kinds of the dances. Bharatnatyam concerned with the Tamil Nadu state, Kuchipudi concerned with the Andhra Pradesh state, Kathakali concerned with the Kerala state, and Kathak dance is concerned with the UP state. Manipuri dance is concerned with the Manipuri state. To this, dear children, we have to learn into the previous lecture. Now today we have to learn about the dramatic art. Which one, dear children, we have learned about the dramatic art. In this, dear children, they have given that presenting a sanskar with entertainment is a unique features of Indian dramatic art. What happened that, dear children, here in dramatic art they have provide a sanskar with the entertainment. Apart from anchor as well as the funny pair of the clown, entertainment audience. Here, dear children, they have given that Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. What was Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni? Underline in your textbook. Well known in the field of the art, dramatic art, writing of the drama. All these things are to be the performed along with the audio visual action. This trio hold the capacity of the entertainment of the people of all the age group. Dramatic art is one kind of the amalgamation of art. Underline it. What happened there? Dramatic art is one kind of the amalgamation. It means the mixture of all the arts. Here, dear children, the Bharat Muni describe about that there is no book, there is no sculpture, and there is no knowledge. There is no tale which is the lacking into the dramatical art. The first drama of the Bharat Muni was Devasasur Sangrama, and in Sanskrit literature we have the various well-renowned the dramatic. Bhas is the poet of the poets among them. He has banqueted us the drama like Karnabhar, Urdubhanga, Dutvakyam, based of the Mahabharata. It means they are taken from the Mahabharata, the different kinds of the drama. Wherever the Kalidas, the foremost poet, give place about the Abhigyan, Sakuntalam, Vikrah, Morvasyam, Malvika, Ganimitra. Apart from above, the many dramatical came and enriched the dramatic art of the Sanskrit literature. The name of Jaishankar Sundari is foremost in the dramatic art of the Gujarat. Underlining. Who is the foremost name in the dramatic art of the Gujarati, dear children? Then remember about the Jaishankar Sundari. Besides the Amrut Nayak, Babulam Nayak, Dina Pathak, Jaswant Thakur, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepa, etc. are remarkable the brave writer. There is a great contribution of the regional and other drama institution in this field. After dear children, they have given about the Bhavai. Bhavai, the script writer have said that Bhavai is the emotion-oriented drama. Dear children, we remember that. Bhavai is one kind of the emotion-oriented drama. And it is a special dramatical art started in 700 years ago by Asi Thakur. This art, which has been provided the public education along with the entertainment at the economical rate promoted during the Solanki era. It was chiefly performed without the curtains, with light humor in the music playing in the trumpet. It means, dear children, it performed with the curtains with the light humor. Character disguised in the form of the Ramdev, Akar, Janda Julam, Kajoda, etc. is there are the main features of the Bhavai. Theme of Bhavai include the protest against our social evil, social vices. The character are to be performed in Bhavai like Rangla Rangli, used to promote the program like girls education, save the girls child, etc. Those who perform this bhavai play a trumpet and pray to the goddess by reciting the answer. Next, dear children, they have given about the folk dances of the Gujarat. In this, dear children, they have given that there are the various dances. Folk belongs to the different communities of the Gujarat. These dance are to be formed according to their tradition and the custom. So whatever the dance are to be there, this dance are to be performed according to the tradition and place from their customs. So they have to given that here more folk dances. Such art of the dance can be seen at the time of the festival, marriage as well as the fashion. After dear children, they have given about the tribunal dance. Which one? Tribunal dance. Tribunal dance of the Gujarat is seen at the time of the festival, marriage, fair, and to please the god as well as the god nation. Most of the dances are to be performed by forming a circle along with the various traditional musical instruments like drum, traditional manjira, dhola, with song of with their regional language. Here in this dance is the form known as a chado. This is a one kind of the character initiated from the different birds, creature like peacock, squirrel as well as the sparrow. Here dance like Madino Chado and Thakariya Chado are to be seen into the dance. And this is, remember, underlining your text. Wherever Timpani dance of the laborer are to be performed by Bhil as well as the Koli community dancer, and they have to perform the dance in the group on the shape of key stick which are joined with the small stick stuck to the ground. After dear children, they have given about the Garba, and you know very well that the Garba is the famous for the Navratri festival, and Gujarat is famous for the Garba into the whole over the world. The word Garba is derived from the word Garbhadipa. So what happened that the word Garba is derived from the Garbhadipa. In same way, earthen lamp is placed in a golden earthen pot. Dancers keep it on their head and move around the circle, and Garba are to be performed during the Navratri festivals. Here, in all the parts of the Gujarat, all are to be celebrated. Gujarati people are performed and sing a Garba to worship and pray the Adya Shakti. It means the goddess of power, Mother, Mata Jagdamba. Generally, it is performed in the open ground, and in circle, the mandu is kept in the center of the ground along with the stroke of the hand as well as the beats of the drums. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are the chiefly associated with the Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote a poem in Gujarati which made a lady sing the colorful and emotional garbis of Lord Krishna's love. After dear children, they will given about the rasa. Which one? Rasa. Ras is a dance to be performed in a circle along with the singing. What happened there? Ras is a performing circle along with the singing. Same way, there is a story of Lord Krishna had shown the Ras Leela to devote bhakti to the Narasimha. Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat during the Navratri. So what happened there? Ras is mostly performed during the Navratri and the Janmashtami festival. Dandiya Ras is one of its type, but some people perform Ras by placing the earthen pot on their head. Due to increase in the influence of the Vaishnava community, Vaishnava sect, Ras has become the more popular. Women wear the traditional dress like embroidery chaniya choli, and the men wear the embroidery kedia and dhoti when they are performing the Rasa. Next, dear children, they have given about the other dances of the Gujarat. In this first, they have given about the Gof Gunthan dance. Which one? Gof Gunthan dance. It is a performed on the drum beats and tal and live of the music. Trying of the rope with mandap, pillar, tree, and holding the other end in the length. They perform the dance in the group holding in one end and dandiya in the other. they make the creeper. Creeper it means looks like a formation going one inside and other outside. This is repeatedly done with the forming of the circle. At that time, one is inside and second one is outside. This way make a open gunthan style of the dance is called as a Gop Gunthan dance. Next, dear children, they have given about the Dhamal dance of the Siddhi. Which one? Dhamal dance of the Siddhis. Here, Siddhi presently residing at Jambur village in the center of the Gir. So, this is the nearest place of the Doraji. So many times you also listen about the name of the Jambur village as well as the name of the Siddhism. Originally belongs from the Africa, this community perform this dance. They perform a dance with the rhythmically striking the machina, wearing the peacock figure and holding small drum hand forming one circle. They dance with high and low pitches of the intention of ho-ho sound which echoes in the whole forest. They dance in a group, imitating the voice of the animal and birds. So while they are performing the dance, dear children, they have to also use the voice of the animal and birds. After, dear children, third one they have given about the Merayo dance. After Badha dance and Kali and the Mare dance. So here, this type of the dance is seen near the step level of the Banaskantha region. Toram is woven with all the tall grass of reed and tunjuri, and this dance is performed on the drum beats as well as the sword tricks, sword yani talwar. And same way, this type of the dance is called as Merayo dance. It is Merayo Nritya. In Surendranagar region, the people of Badhar community dance with the tal and lay of the dandiya with manjira. While dancing, they will generate a scene like a sea waves. Which kind of the things they will generate? They will generate a sea waves. Also, for sheep moving on sea waves, Kodi of Saurashtra perform a Kodi dance and holding the mud ratio on the head and head earring is the turban decorated with embroidery and mirror ties with the green colors with embroidery belt. They wear the belt on their wrist to perform the dance. Similarly, the male dance of the Saurashtra and other dance of the Barwad train are to be the well known. As we discussed in the previous chapter, here also we find that Indian culture is a universal, assimilating to all them. As a result, we can say that arrival of the various tribes since from the ancient time of the contemporary one. Many changes are to be occurred, like growth as the development of the handicraft, home artistry, painting, dancing, as well as the various other fine arts. They show the rich as well as the various heritage of the India. It leaves the permanent impression of the India on the horizon of the world. So what happened that we have to give the respect to our culture as well as the whatever the things provided by our forefather or the ancestors. Thank you, dear children.